Start talking about OChem, and all of a sudden, the rumor mill starts running away. I heard the people on the last test got like a 32 average.
Bro, like 50% of the class failed or dropped.
Dude, you have to be like a super genius to pass this class.
Whoa. Everybody calm down. It's gonna be okay.
I've been an OChem tutor for going on 6 years now, and along the way I picked up a few strategies that have always helped my students succeed. So I'm going to talk to you about those today. First things first, pick yourself up one of these. It's a solutions manual, and they come for almost every organic chemistry book out there. This is going to help you with all of your practice problems, whether or not your professor assigns them, and it'll allow you to do them on your own and then see if you're getting the right answer. Also, it'll allow you to determine if you're getting the right answer in the correct way. Also, quick dummy alert here. Make sure you're doing all your homework. Your professors are generally going to assign you enough problems so that you can succeed, but only if you're doing what you need to be doing. So make sure you're taking care of your homework. Alright, there's essentially 2 steps in studying for organic chemistry. The first step is memorization, and the second step is going to be application by doing problems. Let's talk about memorization for a second. Memorization means creating a 1-page running study sheet for each chapter. This should contain all the reactions, reagents, nomenclature, and associated details with the chapter. Now, you can find these on the internet for free, but I highly recommend you make your own. Finally, update this after every class period. This is going to speed up the memorization process, and it's also going to make your workload before the test a lot lighter. Once your study sheet for that section is complete and memorized, it's time to start doing problems. Do your problems in this order: problems that count for points, problems that your professor recommends, and then your own practice problems. When you get stuck, go back to your study sheet. If it doesn't have all the information that you need on it, update it. Then hit your notes or hit the book. And if you get desperate, yeah, you don't look desperate, go see your professor or a tutor. Who's heard this story before?
Yeah, dude, I had like the worst professor ever. He didn't teach us anything, and then he expected us to know a bunch of stuff on the test.
Nobody cares! Oh yeah, Bob, the list of people who don't care has been updated to medical schools, dental schools, pharmacy schools, past and future employers. On the real though, your professor may actually be bad at teaching OChem. Your language could be their 2nd, 3rd, or even 4th language. The bottom line is, nobody cares. You're still going to have to succeed in their class. And if you think back, other people in this class have already gotten A's in it, which means you can too. So focus that energy away from being angry at the professor and focus it on your success. You know, my next point's actually a really simple one. There's this really great Calvin Coolidge quote. Hold on, I got this. It's, nothing in this world can take the place of persistence. Talent will not. Nothing is more common than unsuccessful men with talent. Genius will not. Unrewarded genius is almost a proverb. Education will not. The world is full of educated derelicts. Persistence and determination alone are omnipotent. Yeah, that. In all honesty, I've seen a lot of very intelligent people struggle in this class. And I've also seen a lot of very determined people do extremely well in this class. The two are not mutually exclusive, but the one underlying factor to success has always been determination. The last thing I want to say to you guys is that this is a marathon and not a sprint. You've got 16 weeks worth of class in front of you, so stay motivated. The most common test grades I see throughout this course go something like this: 96, 65, 87, 72. Even though the course material isn't particularly harder at any one point in the course versus the other, you see an ebb and flow in test grades because of an ebb and flow in student motivation. So work hard to stay motivated throughout the course and you will be successful. Alright guys, there's a link in the description below where you can contact me if you need help with anything. So stay motivated, be safe, be smart, and have fun. We'll see you later guys.